I'm creating this game you see called Modal, which is a JavaScript game. It teaches people how to code while also playing. It's like let's see, like a strategy game, tower defense specifically. So there's been a lot of changes since I last streamed 2 weeks ago. I'm just gonna run down the list real quick and then I'll demo what they are. But first off, you're already seeing this leaderboard. This is new. I figured it's just a good way to make use of that multiplayer functionality and make it a little bit more competitive. But also, notice how players actually have real names now. So I know this has taken a while, but we could finally change our username and save it to the database. So those two, top of mind, and let's go through some of the other stuff that I wrote down. Okay, so also a common problem that this app was facing because it's multiplayer is that if only one person is online at any given time, the app basically doesn't work, right? You can only do lessons, but you can't actually play because you'll just be stuck on this screen. So what I did was I programmed a bot, and it'll activate if you're on this page for 10 seconds. So that way you're still able to access, like you're still able to level up and unlock new lessons and access the full suite of what the app has to offer. And if you want to invite a friend, you still can. So there's no issues like going backwards. I guess it's backwards compatible is what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna wait and let the bot do its thing. See, it just made a barracks. But I'll play with it first for a bit. And I'm still testing it out, so like, see if it's a good like matchup, or maybe it's too hard or too easy, or maybe I should make different settings based on the user's rating, since we have that now on the leaderboard. That's also possible. So there are a lot of possibilities with this particular bot, but it's about testing it now. And also, like if you try to game and have suggestions, just like comment in just comment and I'll get back to you, or I'll make some adjustments accordingly. All right, well, let's see. So I think the bot's pretty aligned with what I'm doing too. So far, pretty good. It's a good sign that it's not crashing. Well, I suppose it's not really utilizing all its resources as much as it could. But give it a minute and see if it does better. No, not really. It's like it's kind of just hoarding resources. But it is like it does random things, so we'll see. We also don't want it to be too hard. I don't know. I feel like that might have been too easy. All right, well, that's the bot. Probably gonna make it a little harder moving forward. And now we see that rating. That's a new concept. And let's go to the main screen. Okay, so after the game, we get taken to the lessons page. Maybe I'll do that only if the player levels up. If the player doesn't level up, then we should just go to the home page. Yeah, I'll change that. And then improvement. So those were just features. Now let's talk improvements. I changed it so that only destroying the HQ will give you the win. So you don't need to destroy every single building. I feel like that just took too much time. And Let's go ahead and demonstrate that. We'll need to wait for it to make a barracks. But the logic or the reason behind that was just because, like, if you destroy a barracks, as long as the headquarters is still there, it could recreate the barracks if you have enough resources. And what I found was that by the time you destroy a barracks, like, you're so far into the game, your resources are also coming in really hot. Because then you capture these resource points, and by default, your base like resource adder is also just higher. So like it's very easy to rebuild that barracks. So then the game would be endless. But you know, if we just make it so that if you only destroy the headquarters, then you win. It's just I feel like it's a better experience. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna target the barracks specifically and destroy it. It's probably going to recreate it, and then we'll just win afterwards. Make sure it works as expected. Oh, I said right? Oh, I meant left. Shit. Oh, it's okay. Let's do it again. Pressure. I'm about to lose, actually. Okay, I was wrong about this button. It might just be the right amount of difficulty. Okay, so that will take care of destroying the barracks. Oh yeah, it's fighting back. Okay. It's putting up quite a challenge. Oh, damn, I actually lost. Oh, man. Alright, guys, I did a good job making the bot, but I do need to demo that building thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just make a bunch of boxes and target the barracks. Yeah, I should just start with that, because then we don't need to worry about all the fighting. Okay, so how many boxers can I make? 2? Should be enough. Greater or equal to 1, cut target is left. Here we go. Okay, in the meantime, let's collect some resources. Scouts equals 1, const should scout. Scouts greater or equal to 1, const target equals, let's do right. And I'll make another scout. Oh boy, that's a lot of penguins. num boxers equals 3. Cause should boxer equal num boxers greater equal to 1, target equal left. Alright, I'm just gonna keep making boxers because that's what's gonna destroy that barracks. Oh, come on. It's attacking the wrong building. No! And also, my building's getting destroyed faster. I'm about to lose again. That's what's happening. Shoot. Yeah. Okay, this bot is pretty good. I'll just play as if I'm playing a person now, then, I guess. I'm just trying to demo some feature. This bot is making it difficult. Alright, so in a real match, I'm gonna want to capture these resource points. So let's do that. Yeah, so it's capturing resources points too, and then I'm gonna want to fight. Alright, and I'm gonna want to save up my resources. And then I will send a swarm of boxers plus pink golfers. That's like my go-to strategy. Alright, the time is now. So I'll make 3 boxers. Oh shoot, I won? I didn't want to win. Oh right, I never got to it. So the units tend to attack the barracks and then slowly migrate its way to the headquarters, which was not intended. That's an issue I needed to fix. I never got around to it. But what I was gonna do was move the headquarters back 2 spaces and make the map just a slightly larger. That way it's harder to access the headquarters, and that I feel like would indirectly fix the problem, and also is more aligned with this new setting of having to destroy only the headquarters to win the match. Demoing this particular thing is proving to be quite difficult. Either I lose or I win. It's just not destroying the barracks. So fourth try is a charm. That's what they say, right? No, yeah, whatever. We'll make it this time. That's no penguins. Let's say 4. Oh wait, I want scouts. Now I want penguins. Actually, I'm going to do boxers. typing's faster. That's for sure. Oh, that's a terrible matchup. I'm gonna get destroyed. Okay, more boxers. See how they like to migrate to the headquarters? That's not good. Oh no, it did it again. Alright, it's gonna destroy that headquarters. Darn it. Alright. This time, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make a garage, and I'm gonna send a ram directly to the barracks, because that won't move. Like, it'll just go to the destination and blow up. Alright, let's make some scouts. Okay, and then I want explorers to get wood. Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna want to protect my penguins. Okay. Let's make... Oh, too soon. Let's make boxer. Oh, actually, I think it's gonna do it. It's gonna destroy that barracks. Please destroy the barracks. Oh no, no. That's not what I wanted. Alright, so I'm gonna want a boxer. I'm so close. Okay. Okay. And let's go ahead and make the garage. Okay. The boxer's doing good. Alright, I think we're in a good spot. Yeah, alright, good. It destroyed the barracks. And I'm just gonna, what should I do? Actually, I should fight back. That's what I need to do. Alright, so we just need him to recreate his barracks, and that would be a proof of concept, or proof of it works. Yes, so he recreated the barracks. Good. That's all I wanted to show. And I guess if let's see, what do I want to do? Oh, let's just win now. That's all that's left. Huh. Yeah. Okay, and then actually just one. Rams less than equal to 9 equal left, and then I want to protect my rams, so I'll send a bunch of slingers. Alright, this is it. Alright, done. Cool. And let's see, what else did I want to cover? So placeholder instructions now white instead of dark green. Oh yeah, small change, but it makes a big difference. I'll just go back and point that out. So this right here. Before it was dark green, because then like real code comments are dark green. So I was doing it like that because that's what I'm used to, but it was very hard for like people to know like that's important. You should read it because that's the instructions. So you know, now it's just more obvious. Surrender, and that was weird, but I'll look into that. And then the other thing, the lessons page. Put a picture of the thing that you can unlock. It's just cute. There's only 2 things right now. I'm gonna have to add more. There's a bunch of lessons, so I need to space out some rewards here. And code examples are now highlighted. That's an important change. So here, so the real life example, before it was just text, and not being familiar with code, it's kind of just like, what am I looking at? Yeah. So what I did was highlight the stuff that's actually relevant to this lesson. So hopefully that helps. And see, it's different for each lesson. And finally, we have one fix. The modal that pops up when you win, before it kept saying you level up even when you don't. That was just programmed to say that for some reason. I don't know, I was sleepy when I did that. So I fixed that. It'll only say you level up when you level up. So let's test that. I haven't tested it yet. Well, I mean, I did test it when I was in local development, but like I haven't tested it in production, which is this live app. So let's see if it actually does what it's supposed to. So actually, I should. What level am I? Surrender. Oh, that only happens when I surrender. Okay, so 78 of 120. Oh, I'm gonna level up whether I win or lose. So I'll just lose, and then I'll lose again next round. Next round I contest it. Well, I guess in the meantime, I'm just gonna chat. So well, not even start. I'm thinking of doing tutoring for JavaScript, like arrays and objects, and probably do that once a month. Just test it out, see if that's something I want to do long term. Before I did do, like, I mentored a couple people, and I did that like every weekend for 15 weekends straight. We covered basic JavaScript all the way up to creating an app with React. And it was cool. Like, the students actually made some stuff, and it was nice to see. But then it was very time intensive on top of my full-time job, and also making the apps that I make. This is my second, well, not even second, this is like my fourth, but second of the two that I did launch to the public just this past year. So I gotta be realistic with what I can manage in a day, or like a day out of the 7 days in a week. But yeah, I'm gonna do that once a month, and if you're interested, I should probably go to the page. I have a Meetup page if you don't know. Oh, phone. Be right back. Oh, or never mind. So here's my Meetup page. I usually post the stream, and this is new. So I'm gonna do a tutoring thing first Monday of every month. Yeah. So check it out if you want to. It's the handle is Bloober Ideas, which is the same as my YouTube channel. I renamed it so that they're the same. Alright, so he's sending 4 boxers. I should get defeated pretty quickly. And we could test this fix. Oh, perfect. He made even more things. Does that add up to 10? I feel like that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That definitely does not add up to 10. So there's a bug somewhere. Oh, can you get that? Alright, so I leveled up, which is correct. I should have leveled up. But if I lose again, I should not level up. I don't think, yeah. It's 33 plus 75, not 124. So let's test that out. Oh, my camera wasn't even on. Let me turn on the camera. Nope, that's not it. What? I'm just gonna pull up Google Meet. Okay. All right, there I am. And that'll do it. All right, so let's lose, and I think I'll end the stream here. That covers all the changes made. Oh, let me turn on my light. It's getting dark. Okay, so Boxer's on its way. And let's see what's planned ahead for next week. Oh, actually, I'm gonna slow down on development and try to get more users, because this is a multiplayer game and it's time to get some players. But there's maybe like a few things I want to do before I completely pause development. Whoa, lightning. Oh shit, I guess it's about to storm tonight. There's a big flash of lightning just like right in front of my window. Oh, there's the thunder. Okay, so just one improvement where I add tooltips like on locked lessons to inform that play the game to unlock these lessons. There was a user, like a beta tester, that brought that up. That was a bit confusing, so I'll add some info tips here and there. That probably isn't the only spot that could use more guidance. I'll look for more. And that bug that we just found, the bot apparently can create more than the 10 penguin capacity. So those two things are on my agenda for next week, and then I'm gonna focus on getting users. So I lost, I shouldn't level up. It doesn't say I level up, which is good. And it just says I lost 10 rating and I gained 75 experience for losing. If you win, I think you get 100. All right, so that's working as expected. That's all the changes I made the past 2 weeks. Actually, no, there's this. It's not a really feature. It's more like, here's this other app that I made. This was the first of the 4 that I made. No, that was the second of the 4 that I made, but the first of the 2 that I deployed to the public. And links to my, link to my meetup that I mentioned, and my other social media channels. Yeah, that's it for today. Let me know what you think of what I've made so far, where you would like this to go. Your input would be very helpful. And we'll do this again next Wednesday. I changed the time so that it's every Wednesday at 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. But I'm going to end short because I'm the only person online. Yeah, so come check out playwaddlewaddle.com. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.